Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'll be making a fall ribbon wreath. I'm using 4 different pattern ribbons. They are 2.5 inches wide and they are wired. I cut 24 strips of each pattern and I cut them down to 8 inches. So you'll need 6 yards total per design. Once I had those strips cut, I go ahead and trim up the ends. I then went ahead and cut all of my pieces of twine ahead of time. What I'm doing is making little ribbon bundles. I take the first ribbon and I pinch it in the center and then hold that pinch in my hand and then do the same to the other 3 and crisscross them back and forth in my hands, kind of in the shape of an X, until I have all 4 ribbons total. Then take that twine piece I had cut, wrap it around the center, knot it a couple times, and then leave that twine long, because that's how we'll be attaching it to the wreath form. And for the next 2, I'm just alternating the ribbons so they're not exactly the same for each bundle. I used 3 different variations of the ribbons in different orders each time. So you'll wind up with 24 bundles total. Next, I'm taking my 18-inch wreath form that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am taking the bundles and I wrap it around that center ring, knotting it a couple times and then cutting off the excess twine. Each of those sections will have 3 bundles. So in each section, I have one of each variation of the different patterns of the ribbons, the different orders of the patterns. And then I just spread the ribbons out and fluff them out so each section will be nice and filled in. I just continue that until I have it completely filled in. And then I'm taking this welcome hanger that I got from Dollar Tree and I remove the hanger from the back and I paint the entire thing with the color Camel, and that's by Folkart. It's an acrylic paint. And I just give this full coverage. After I have it painted and dried, I cut a couple pieces of twine and on either end I attach it by using a stapler. I place it down on top of the wreath where I am going to want it and just take that twine and push it through the ribbons and tie it on the back like I had attached each of those ribbon bundles. Once that's attached, I just go around and open up all the ribbon bundles and just making sure that the wreath is nice and full. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.